What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video in hopefully a long series where I could show you guys some tips and tricks, just some of my design process, and overall just share some of my thoughts about problem solving, design, illustration, art, and just be a platform where I could talk to the world. Really the goal is to get some exposure for some of my design work, but also I want to help people that have questions or just are looking for some sort of guidance with things I've learned over being a designer in New York City for the past 6 years and an artist probably my whole life. Yeah, so this is just the first video. I wanted to introduce myself, but there will be things coming soon, so stay tuned.